In this video, I'm going to show you a proven trading strategy that beginners are using to make around $100 per day on KCEX. This strategy is simple, powerful, and beginner-friendly, and the best part is it works on any time frame, whether you're scalping or day trading. I'll break it down step by step and show you the exact indicators and settings I personally use. So make sure you watch until the end. Alright guys, step number 1, sign up for an exchange. For this strategy, we're going to be using KCEX. Now here's the important part. KCEX requires absolutely no KYC verification, which means you can start trading immediately without sending in any personal documents. If KCEX is not available in your country, you can use Bybit as an alternative. They're offering up to 30,000 USDT in trading bonuses right now. I'll link both down below, but for this video, we'll be using KCEX. To sign up to KCEX and claim your bonuses, click the link at the top of the description. You'll be taken to the sign up page where you simply enter your email, create a password, and you're ready to go. No verification needed. Now, KCEX is offering some very nice rewards for new users. You get reduced trading fees, account verification rewards, and you can earn up to 5 USDT just by binding your X account and sharing your referral link. But the best part, you can start trading immediately with zero friction. Let me show you how to get set up. Step number 2 is depositing funds. Once you're logged into KCEX, click on Wallets in the top right corner, then click on Deposit. Choose the coin you want to deposit. I recommend USDT, and select the correct blockchain network. Make sure you choose the right network to avoid losing your funds. I personally like to use TRC20 because it's fast and the fees are very low. Confirm the details, then scan the QR code or copy the deposit address to transfer your funds from your wallet or another exchange. Once your funds are deposited, it's time to open a position. Step number 3 is opening your first position. Click Futures in the top menu. This will take you to the trading interface. Choose the asset you want to trade in the upper left corner. For this example, I'll use BTC/USDT. Select your order type, limit or market. For beginners, I recommend starting with market orders for instant execution. Enter your trade details, such as quantity and price. Next, choose your leverage type. You can use cross margin or isolated margin. Personally, I use isolated margin because it limits your risk to only that specific position. So if the trade goes wrong, you only lose what you put into the trade, not your entire account balance. You can use up to 125 times leverage on KCEX, but for beginners, I definitely recommend starting with 5 times to 10 times leverage until you're comfortable with how leverage works. Confirm your order details, then click Open Long or Open Short to open your position. Once your order is filled, you can view it under the Positions tab at the bottom of the screen. Now that you know how to use derivatives on KCEX, let's move on to the actual strategy that can make you $100 per day. Step number 4, setting up your indicators on TradingView. Go to TradingView. If you don't have TradingView yet, use the link below to get a discount. I recommend using the Pro version for the best indicators. Select the trading pair you want to trade. For this example, I'll use BTCUSDT. Now choose your preferred time frame. This strategy works on all time frames, including 1 minute, 5 minute, 15 minute, and 1 hour charts. For beginners aiming for $100 per day, I recommend the 5 minute or 15 minute chart. Now, click on the Indicators tab at the top and search for RSI VWAP. Select it. Open the indicator settings by clicking the gear icon, go to Inputs and set RSI VWAP length 15, oversold 10, overbought 10. Next, add a second indicator. Go back to Indicators, search for Extreme Reversal Setup and select it. Open the settings, go to Inputs, and change the multiplier to 3. These settings significantly improve signal accuracy and filter out false signals. I've tested this across multiple time frames and it's been working very, very well. Step number 5 is about entries. For a buy setup, this strategy requires confirmation from both indicators. First, wait for the RSI line to go below the oversold level and form a green cloud. Then, wait for a blue signal from the Extreme Reversal Setup indicator to appear below the candle. When the signal appears, confirm that the RSI is still below the oversold level, the green cloud is still active. Enter the trade on a fresh candle after the signal appears. Place your stop loss near the recent low, usually 1 to 2% below your entry. Set your take profit at 2 to 3 times your risk. So if you're risking $10, aim for $20 to $30 profit. This gives you a 2-to-1 or 3-to-1 risk-reward ratio, which is key to consistent profitability. For a sell setup, the process is the exact opposite. Wait for the RSI line to go above the overbought level and form a red cloud. Then wait for a red signal from the extreme reversal setup indicator to appear above the candle. When the signal appears, confirm that. The RSI is still above the overbought level. The red cloud is still active. Enter the trade on a fresh candle after the signal appears. Place your stop loss near the recent high. Set your take profit at 2 to 3 times your risk. Before we wrap up, make sure you create your KCX account using the link below. Remember, no KYC required, so you can start trading immediately. Make your first deposit to start using this strategy. Claim your bonuses, including reduced fees and rewards for completing trades. If KCX is not available in your country, remember you can use Bybit. They're offering up to 30,000 USDT in trading bonuses right now. Both links are in the description. That's it, guys. This strategy is simple, effective, and perfect for beginner traders. Start with small positions, practice your entries, and scale up as you gain confidence. And if you want more details on how the KCEX and Bybit platforms work, check out the video popping on screen right now. Anyways, with that being said, I'll see you in the next one.